Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tools and gadgets.
Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics out there.
We're diving into the world of oil filter wrenches. And we found what we believe to be the best option for semi-truck maintenance: the DURATECH Extra Small Swivel Oil Filter Wrench.
This little tool packs a punch when it comes to removing oil filters, especially those tricky ones in semi-truck engines.
Let's break down why this wrench stands out from the competition. First off, let's talk durability.
The DURATECH wrench is constructed from sturdy stainless steel with a dimpled texture for superior grip.
No slipping here, ensuring precise and efficient operation every time.
But what really sets this wrench apart is its swivel design. With a 180-degree swivel joint, you can easily access those tight engine compartments found in semi-trucks.
No more struggling to reach those filters. And let's not forget about comfort. The ergonomic handle provides a firm grip, reducing hand fatigue during those long maintenance sessions. It's all about making your job easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk specs.
This wrench is designed to fit filters ranging from 2-3/8 to 2-11/16, perfect for semi-truck applications. Whether you're working on cars or motorcycles, this wrench has you covered.
Plus, with its sturdy construction and compact design,
you can trust that this tool will last you through countless filter changes.
And when you're on the go, it's easy to store and transport, making it a convenient addition to your toolkit.
So, there you have it folks, the DURATECH Extra Small Swivel Oil Filter Wrench.
With its durability, swivel design, and ergonomic handle, it's the perfect tool for tackling oil filter maintenance on semi-trucks and more. Don't just take my word for it, check out the rave reviews from satisfied customers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy wrenching!